So, what do we do when you first wake up? I don't know. CPR. How many dummies does it take to get a Mopar radiator cap off?
Someone needs to hold the cap and spin the truck.
I mean, we did get the hinges to work right. That's what we were actually over here doing.
Got the hood open.
Yeah. Leave a comment in the comment section. How do you get that radiator cap off?
It's frozen solid.
Just drive it. Having Mopar's indirect connection. And welcome back this morning. We got Ian working on the truck. And this is making actually a nice little tray, as long as he doesn't let it drop. Alright. So basically, did that one bust?
I don't know.
Hold on.
It won't let me.
Anyways, Ian is taking apart the top of this Edelbrock so that we can see the insides of it, and we will be going from there. Hold on. Yeah. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, two of the things that we did, Ian went through, pulled all of the screws off the top, pulled the needle step rods and stuff like that off of it. He got this loose. We spun this and twisted it first to make sure that it broke loose from the nipple here, and it actually came off a lot easier than I thought it would. The rubber's still pretty decent on this one. The other thing is I took this hammer and very lightly tapped right here, and the gasket released. So the other thing that is going to be fun on this one is, even though I'm going to try to I'm going to have to get this out next, and then you actually have to spin the top on this other area right here. So first things first, we got to get this stud out, and then we'll be back. All right, one of the things you want to know on these is when you pick it up, you've got your floats there, but you also have to worry about this other piece over here. And of course it's fighting me this time. This one actually, instead of just having the other piece, it actually has the clip on it too. So simply by grabbing the little orange handle probe, we can get that back out. And there's that. Putting it back up here. That comes off. And there we go. There's some junk in here. We're going to bring the, there's actually some twigs and stuff in here on top of the secondaries. And if we want to look in here, you'll begin to see it's got some debris and stuff in here. We're going to have to clean up all this. I think we're going to spray out, we're definitely going to spray out through the jets. We'll pull the idle mixture screws. We'll blow back through there. We'll make sure that, I mean, I don't have my tip cleaner, but we'll take and make sure that these are cleared out and everything, so that when we go back through to try to start this thing, that it actually has a chance of it. One of the things that we're doing is we're going to be taking that ignition tumbler out and putting in a different one. This cap's got to come off. This wire comes off. It comes out over here by this notch. We're going to have to unbolt this and then unbolt from there. So it's going to be interesting. Be very careful. We just took out the steering wheel, and guess what is right inside the steering column? Yeah. Just drive it. What we ended up having to do was a lot less than what Jason had to do over there. We did clean out the carburetor, but we didn't have to rebuild it. We threw a coil on it and just connected a couple cables. I mean, really, hopefully it actually runs.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah. So
we also did some some wiring. Do we even need to do that?
You ready?
Probably pull it out of gear. Let's do that. So good news, guys. Starter works. And the clutch is functional. See you everybody for a great video having this thing going through the fence.
I don't know if it even threw any, but oh well. You
Is
ready?
it neutral now?
Yeah, we're good. Should be.
Ooh, we're a lot faster than here.
Sounds like it's 180 out.
Nah, it's not blowing up in her face yet. Hold it. She's squirting. Oh, she's squirting.
Okay.
Now she'll be happy. She needs all the gas.
It sounds like it's 180 out. It's going. Whoop, 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 whoop.
I don't want it to be doing that. We got the firing orders right?
Never touch the firing order.
Someone.
Okay.
Hang on a second, I'm gonna spin that around.
I can hold it. I was gonna say I could hold it up, but I don't want to.
I don't think you want to do that. Get, come on.
Stay.
Okay, so we'll go again. No spark. So
with electronic ignition, how do you find out if it's getting spark? Because
There
it's all
are-
electric.
there are telltale signs going down the. See the little run marks below the
Yeah, the ECU.
ECU?
Oh, is that half inch?
We're at
It goes the ECU to the firewall.
probably.
Okay. Record.
Okay, on here. I got the clutch all the way down, and I'm hitting the ignition switch, and it's nothing. So we're gonna have to use a screwdriver again. Are we sure that it's
We're absolutely not sure of anything right now. Go ahead. Do you want to move this? Yeah, this. Oh, the fuel pump's on.
Yeah, we've got fuel in it already, so.
Here's a lifter juice. Lifter juice. Oil pressure.
It is sparking.
It is sparking. Huh? Why is that for inside now? Oil. How long has engine ran? What?
Down 60 psi with the pressure on the inside.
Huh?
We're probably about 60
Yeah,
psi.
it's probably.
It's been a couple of years
Yeah.
since the guy had it.
Well, this is great
Several
now.
before then. Several years it hasn't been on.
Oh yeah, here we go. Everybody's happy. We got it.
Everyone's waving at everyone. Woohoo!
Ooh, the timing's a little off. What's the deal? Loose? Yeah, man. No, it's not loose. It's advanced. Very advanced. Not very advanced. It's a little advanced.
That's why I was saying they had these. That's why I was saying whenever we took and did the carburetor, it's 3.5 turns out on these. And
I turned them in quite a bit, but
I put them at 1.5 out.
yeah.
When I redid it, but when I first did, when I first took
said that, I
it
was
apart,
like,
it's
way
3.5
out.
out, and then you had like 3/4 of the transition slot exposed when we pulled it apart. So that little bit that we put it in, it wasn't hardly anything for the idle right there. Transition slot should be good, but that's why I said I thought the timing was probably going to be off.
Ooh, I don't want to touch that right now, but I will. A gift.
Thank you, sir.
Sure. Try to help.
Yeah, those come in very handy.
I use them on my lawnmowers because those things never want to start.
Quick way to know if you got spark or not, that's for sure.
Why hell? 2 for 2.
Well, guys,
Quite impressive. Thank you.
we had a fun day today. First day working on this one. Second day working on the other one. That one starts and runs from the ignition switch, as this one does too. But you do have to stick your finger in the column to turn on the switch on this one. But that can be remedied pretty quick. Also, this one's going to need a new relay. But hey, beggars can't be choosers. So if you like this, please like, subscribe, rumble. Just have fun. If you got a friend who needs some help, go help them. It comes in handy because sometimes they may need it. Call Steven. Call Jason. Because if you call me, I'm calling him.
Yeah, he's not here to
Same way
defend
around.
himself, so you know.
Yeah.
And we'll see y'all later. Y'all have a great one.